bleeding into gold, empty stories left untold. Neon flickers on the glass, watching strangers slowly pass. Umbrellas drift like silent ghosts. Everyone has somewhere close. Footsteps echo mine alone, in a city not my own. Every window holds a life I'll never know. Every face a place I'll never go. In this Shanghai rainy night, I disappear in light. Every shadow looks like home, but I'm still alone. Neon rain upon my skin, cold outside within. If the world just fades away, would it notice me? Taxi headlights cut the gray, then they carry dreams away. Conversations I can't hear, still they feel so far from here. Cigarette in trembling hand, smoke dissolves like shifting sand. Every second drifting slow, nowhere left I need to go. All these voices moving through the night, but none of them will say my name tonight. In this Shanghai rainy night, I dissolve in light. Every passing silhouette feels like a regret. Neon rain upon my skin, no one looking in. If I vanished in the grave, would it fade the same? No footsteps next to mine, no reason, no design, just the rain calling out a name. Not mine. In this Shanghai rainy night, I'm a fading light. Every street a memory that was never me. Let the skyline turn to blur, let the silence stir. If tomorrow never came, would it feel